People ignore their roofs because they don't know any better. If it's out of sight, out of mind. If they don't see something dripping inside, ruining a ceiling tile, dripping on a computer, it's not a problem, which couldn't be further from the truth. Roofs are leaking even when you don't see it coming in from a ceiling tile. It may be saturating crucial components of the roof system, like the insulation. It might be absorbing all that water that's actually coming in through a minor leak, and over time, as freeze-thaw cycles happen, it opens this, what was a very small problem, it opened up now, it's a major problem, ruining the components that would then need to come out through tear off and be replaced. Whereas with the preventative maintenance, it wouldn't have been an issue. We catch those things before they become a problem. A common misconception with customers, building owners, is that I've got a new roof, it's only 2 or 3 years old, I've got a warranty, so I don't need that, which couldn't be further from the truth. That's exactly who does need it. Because at that point, we can extend the life of the roof before it's too late. It's amazing to me when I get up on a roof that's 20 or 30 years old, and you can tell when there's just been even the most minor maintenance, it makes a difference, where that roof, just with the minor maintenance, has been, is still performing. And it wasn't a lot done, just the simplest of things, like a coating where the roof was starting to deteriorate, a little bit of caulk here and there, just cleaning the roof. When just a little bit of preventative maintenance is performed, the life expectancy of that roof is increased tenfold.